Eva Padlock, famous Spanish model and social media sensation, rose to fame through her social media activities and appearing for several modeling campaigns. She is known as the Monster Girl because she is one of the models who promotes Monster energy drinks throughout the world. Eva is undoubtedly famous on her Instagram account. Eva also became Lovely Lady of the Day and the cover of Sports Illustrated magazines and Babe of the Day on the cover of Thrill Bender magazines. Eva's date of birth is around 13 May 1984. And in 2023, Eva is 39 years old. Her average height is around 5 feet and 6 inches, and her weight is around 61 kilograms or 134 pounds. Eva Padlock has a net worth of around $2 million as of in November 2023.